Do you want your business to show up at the top of Google Maps and AI agent searches? With artificial intelligence changing how people search, strong online visibility is now essential. But here's what the most people miss. You need to stay consistent for at least 6 to 8 months to see real, lasting result. Based on my 10 years of local SEO experience, here's the simple formula that works. First, social share. Post regularly about your business on social media platforms to create engagement and buzz. Second, citation. Make sure your business is listed accurately across online directories. Consistency is key. Third, GBP post. Keep your Google business profile active by posting updates, offers, and useful content. And finally, backlinks. Build high quality backlink from trusted website to boost your authority. If you follow this step properly, you will see your business race to the top, attacking more customer and growing sales. If you need help, contact us. We are expert in local SEO and ready to help your business grow. I, Aladdin, confidently assure a winning return on invest. Your money will be well spent with granted result. Thanks for watching.